Learn Bulgarian future tense. I will go.
Ще отида.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Hey you, ready to future-proof your Bulgarian? Today we'll nail the future tense of to go and a calming lifesaver phrase, sprinkled with laughs. Your learning goal today. You'll learn to promise plans like a pro and reassure yourself when life gets wobbly. I will go.
Ще отида.
You will go, singular, friendly.
Ти ще отидеш.
He will go.
Той ще отиде.
She will go.
Тя ще отиде.
We will go.
Ще отидем.
You will go, plural, polite.
Вие ще отидете.
They will go.
Ще отидат.
Bonus reassurance. It will be okay.
Ще стане.
Laugh and learn. A tiny scene. Jump into a quick metro scene. Bring your smile and your ticket. A. The train is late, but
Ще стане.
it'll be okay. B. Cool. I will go first.
Ще отида.
A. Don't push me, you will go after me.
Ти ще отидеш.
C. Tell Ivan he will go to the next carriage.
Той ще отиде.
D. And Mira? She will go get snacks.
Тя ще отиде.
A. Team plan. We will go together.
Ще отидем.
Guide. You, group, will go left.
Вие ще отидете.
All. Then they will go right.
Ще отидат.
Comedy timing achieved. Quick pronunciation beats. Clap or tap the rhythm and repeat out loud, own the sounds. Repeat after me with a steady 4 beat. I will go.
Ще отида.
You, SG, will go.
Ти ще отидеш.
He will go.
Той ще отиде.
She will go.
Тя ще отиде.
We will go.
Ще отидем.
You, plural, will go.
Вие ще отидете.
They will go.
Ще отидат.
It will be okay.
Ще стане.
Culture and clarity. Tiny tips that save you big effort. The Bulgarian future uses the little helper.
Ще.
Plus the right verb form. Think of
Ще.
as your will.
Вие.
Is both you, plural, and the polite you, that's why you, plural, will go is.
Вие ще отидете.
When comforting someone, Bulgarians often say,
Ще стане.
a friendly, it'll work out. Use it kindly, and maybe offer a snack. Snacks help everything. Micro quiz. You got this. Answer, then I'll confirm. Q1. Say, they will go. A.
Ще отидат.
Q2. Say, we will go. A.
Ще отидем.
Q3. Say, you will go, singular, friendly. A.
Ти ще отидеш.
Q4. Your friend is nervous. Say, it will be okay. A.
Ще стане.
Q5. Point to Mira and say, she will go. A.
Тя ще отиде.
Q6. Politely to a group. You will go, plural. A.
Вие ще отидете.
Speed challenge. Rapid fire. Repeat each one after me.
Ще отида. Ти ще отидеш. Той ще отиде. Тя ще отиде. Ще отидем. Вие ще отидете. Ще отидат. Ще стане.
Boom. If your tongue did yoga just now, that means progress. Good vibes outro. You crushed it, future you is proud. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms in real plans. Text a friend and promise a trip using.
Ще.
And remember, if anything feels tricky.
Ще стане.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.